Dr. Vasudha Hegde, Professor and Head in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. We offer BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering along with a major degree called as Electric Vehicle. So when it comes to our observation across the globe, the major difficulty what we are facing is our dependency on the other countries in terms of the petroleum products. So in order to cater to the need of the society as well as to the industry, we are offering the electric vehicle technology as the major degree as well. So coming to the facilities what we are offering in Jain Deemed to be University, we have an MOU with Siemens Technologies. So the very specialization in this is in such a way that Siemens experts will come to the department and they will teach the courses, that is one course per semester, and it is entirely handled by the Siemens experts. Here our students are getting to understand how exactly the simulation can be done using MATLAB and finally dump it to the hardware to understand how it is working. And along with that, we have very important part of the electric vehicle called battery management system. Regenerative braking is another important aspect. So when we are talking about the battery or the electric vehicle operated or electric vehicles which are operated on battery, it is important for us to understand that its efficiency or its efficacy has to be very high. On the other hand, it's also important for us to integrate the artificial intelligence or machine learning or any such advanced topics in our curriculum. The types of the roles they will be playing is, one is they can be the entrepreneurs setting up their charging stations, and the second option or the second what they'll be looking at is designing. So designing the electric vehicle in terms of the powertrain design. So powertrain design in terms is nothing but having the power electronics technology or power converters embedding into the powertrain so that the machines or the motors which are inside the electric vehicles are operating perfectly. So another role or the third role what I would like to mention is the battery management system. So as I have mentioned, battery management systems are very important when it comes to understanding the working of the electric vehicle and also giving that kind of confidence to the electric vehicle user, so that if your battery management or the battery is working efficiently, then the user will be confident to use or to adopt to the electric vehicle technology. Because of this particular program, so the graduates who complete this particular program are not just behind the wheels which are running in terms of the latest technology. Instead, they are the ones who are building the latest technology and they are the driving force behind this particular latest technology called electric vehicle.